Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of class 10 English version, welcome to online class by Greenfield School and College. How are you today? I hopeful that you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Now I am very delighted to get a unique opportunity to deliver to this topic. Specific to this topic, chapter 1, lesson 1 to 4. I will discuss about imported CQ. Okay, so dear student, according to lesson, I am reading the stem. So please listen to me what I say. Follow the uh, skin. Jaber asked Hassan what is the meant by Deen Islam. Hassan replied, Deen Islam is the complete code of life prescribed of Allah. Jabir then asked, did not lay out of anything from the code of life? Hassan said, space of man, behavior, transactions, trade and commerce, governing the social and state world that include in Deen Islam. There is a deep relation between Islam and Iman. Okay. According to STEM, question A: what is the first and the most important aspect of Iman? Question B: Islam is a universal religion. Explain it. Question C: regarding Deen Islam, what do you think of Hassan's answer? Explain. Question D: there is a deep relation between Islam and Iman. Evaluate it with a proper example. Okay. So I am trying to give correct answer. Question A: what is the first and the most important aspect of Iman? To believe in Allah, for Tawheed. Okay, more Aqaid. Okay. What is the first and the most important aspect of Iman? To believe in Allah, to believe in Tawheed. Okay. Question B: Islam is a universal religion. Explain it. Dear student, you know that Islam is a universal religion. This statement is absolutely correct because Allah the Most High says in the Holy Quran, Inna dina indallahi Islam. Allah the Most High another says in the Holy Quran, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum Islam dina. Okay. So Islam is a universal religion. It is not confined to any particular age, region, or place. Most other religions have been named after their founder, or preacher, or follower, or nation. But being a universal religion, Islam has not been so named. Rather, it has been named Islam so that mankind may peacefully lead their lives with allegiance to Allah and His Messenger. That is why Islam is called as a universal religion. Okay, I hopeful that this question A, B, you have understood this question. Now we'll discuss question C. Regarding Deen Islam, what do you think of Hassan's answer? Explain. Dear student, you know that above the stem, Jabir asked Hassan what is the meant by Deen Islam. Hassan replied, Deen Islam is the complete of code of life prescribed of Allah. Okay. again, space, Hassan said, space of men, behavior, trade, and commerce, governing the social and state world, including in Islam. The space of Hassan is absolutely correct, because you know that Islam is the revealed religion or way of life commanded by Allah the Most High. It is a special bounty of Allah the Most High for mankind. It is a complete code of life, the perfect solutions of all matters and problems pertaining to man's life one earth have been provided in it. Allah the Almighty in the Holy Quran, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-islam dina. Okay. Today we have perfected for you your religion and completed one bounty upon you, and we have chosen for you Islam as a code of conduct. Okay. The fulfilled guidance on all matters for man from his birth to death exists in Islam. All the personal, family, social, cultural, economic, political, and international issues have been accurately described in Islam. Even the description of life after death or hereafter is provided in Islam. So, for a disciplined and grateful life, there is no alternative to Islam. The word Islam is derived from the verb silbon, which means peace. Islam leads man to the road to peace. Man may enjoy a perfect and peaceful life both here and the hereafter by following the laws and resolution of Islam. So, Islam is called the religion of peace. Okay, so the above the stem, Hassan's speech of the absolutely correct speech according to Islam, according to Quran and Hadith. Okay, I hope that this question answer also you have understood. Now I will discuss the question D. There is a deep relation between Islam and Iman. Evaluate it with a proper example. Okay. Dear student, you know that Iman is a part. Iman is an important part of human life, because Allah the our Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says in a hadith, "Man qala la ilaha illallah." That means Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who says there is no Allah except there is no ilah except Allah, then you will enter into the Jannah." Okay, so you know that there is a deep relation between Islam and Iman. This statement is absolutely correct state, because you know Iman and Islam are two very important terminologies. Is Iman means belief, sincere faith in the basic issues of Islam and testimony, and to practice them accordingly is termed as Iman. On the other hand, Islam means self-surrender, allegiance, etc. Total self-surrender to Allah in obedience to His commands and prohibition is termed as Islam. A very close and inseparable relationship exists between Iman and Islam. One is not even imaginable without reference to the other. Both are deeply intertwined dependent. Iman and Islam are closely related as roots and branches in a tree. Iman is the root, while Islam represents its branches. Branches do not grow without roots. Again, roots are of no value unless it grows branches. Likewise, Iman and Islam, neither is complete without the other. Iman creates an immense heart faith in and love for Allah, and also a desire to attain His pleasure. Consequently, Islam blooms with full glow and freshness through worship and servitude in the heart. Islam is related to the external conduct and deeds. For example, Iman consists of belief in Allah, the Messenger, the angels, and the observance of Salat, Zakat, and Hajj are Islam as its externalities. So, in fact, Iman and Islam are mutually complementary in order to attain success in worldly life as well as in the hereafter. Both Iman and Islam have got to be implemented in one's life. Okay, so in the long run, it is said that there is a deep relation between Islam and Iman. This statement is absolutely correct statement. Dear student, now we'll discuss important MCQ and knowledge based question, lesson 1 to 4, chapter 1. Okay, first question: what is the meaning of aqaid? Aqaid means a set of beliefs. I'm making this question. What is the meaning of aqaid? A set of belief. What is the singular word of aqaid? Aqidah. Aqidah means only belief or faith. How many aspects of Islam are there? 2 aspects. What are they? Related to belief and another factory conduct or application. Okay. Next important MCQ. What is the meaning of Islam? Islam means not peace. Answer. Correct answer. Islam means to obey, to surrender, and to treat the path of peace. Okay. Knowledge based question: what is the practical meanings or the practical sense of Islam? Correct answer: practical sense of Islam means obedience to the commands of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, how many pillars of Islam are there? 5 pillars. Okay. Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about in a hadith about 5 pillars. The foundation of Islam. Al-Islamu an tashhada alla ilaha illallah wa aqimus shalah wa tuqimus shalah wa tu'ti zakata wa tasuma ramadan wa tahajjal baita in istata ilayhi sabila. Okay, so Islam is you will testify that there is none worthy of worship besides Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's messenger. Then you will say your prayers, offer alms first during the Ramadan and perform Hajj at the house of Allah if your means support. Okay, next important question. Allah the Most High about Islam. Inna dina in the Allahil Islam. From which surah is it taken? This question answer. Surely to have to Allah the only could apply for mankind is Islam. This is space of Allah. From which surah is it taken? Surah Al Imran, ayat number 19. Surely to Allah the code of life or code of life for mankind is Islam, from which surah is taken, Surah Al Imran. Next important question. Allah the Most High, today have we perfected you for your religion. From which surah is taken, Surah Al Ma'idah, ayat no 3. Okay. From next important question, MCQ. From which word Islam is derived from? Salmon. Correct answer. From which word Islam is derived? The verb root salmon. What is the meaning of salmon? Salmon means page. Okay. Next important question. Dear student,